was just in the closet looking for a fresh hat to wear for the video. Had some new stuff, but anyway. Yo, check this out, yo. Got this dope book I picked up from Barnes & Noble the other day, man. Check this. Come on over here, man, with me. Let's get this together over here. Yo, I gotta show y'all this baby right here. This is a nice one, man. I'm not even gonna say much about it. I'm not gonna take a long time to get into it. But I did get 10% knocked off on it because it had a dent in the corner. So I got it for like 40 bucks. It's a $50 book, but I got it for 40 bucks. But overall, it's worth the 50 bucks. I think it is. Because it opened my eyes to a whole new different perspective in dealing with the metahumans and everything in that world. So I don't know which side is going to be the best side to work on. But we'll just go on this side. And we'll get right into it, right? Check it out, yo. Check this out. Anatomy of a Metahuman. Isn't this sweet? Really sweet book, man. Yo, and it's exactly what it is. It's the anatomy breakdown, the inside anatomy breakdown. Yeah, look at the book, man. It's really nice color. It's this like bluish color that's really beautiful, man. This right here is like embossed out. Like, you know, you can feel the texture of it poking out, except for the letters. Of course, by DC. Check out. And it's just like exactly what you think it is, what you see. The inside workings of a metahuman, the inside body parts, man, of everything. Look, you got Aquaman's lungs and shit going on there. You got the inside anatomy of what's this guy? The Martian Manhunter. Look, up here you got a little bit of inside stuff on Bane. What makes him tick? And of course, who wouldn't want to know the ins and inner workings of Cyborg, man? And this is who it's written by. So you can definitely go ahead and check those out. But this is it, bro. Anatomy of a Metahuman, man. I thought this was great, man. Check that out, bro. Check that out. Isn't that something? I thought it was cool. I thought it was nice, man. I'm just gonna let y'all have it for the next 10 minutes. You know, I don't have much to say about it as far as a review, because I don't actually review books. I just give the average everyday Joe opinion of something, and I think a book like this is really incredible to get to know the inner workings of metahumans, especially certain metahumans. I should have gave you a rundown of who was in here, but everybody's in here, man. A lot of people in here. The strength, you know, they're testing them out. I don't know who's actually keeping the notes. I didn't have a chance to go through it all one by one yet. I wanted to share it with you guys at the same time with me. Let's share it together. Get it together, bro. I like the color. There's something about the warm tones of the pages. These yellowing tones. It has a very yellowish tone. The cheetah, and it has a very authentic, like, it has an old look to it, like, you know what I'm saying, like it was something that was written 50 or 100 years ago, and the paper is yellowed a bit. So I like that whole overall look and tone of the book. Really breaks down a lot of stuff inside, man. Even her weaknesses, man. This Aquaman. All right, look at that. His speed, hearing, his vision, everything. Telepathy, how that works. I don't know who the hell Buster is. It's Cyborg. Check out Cyborg, man. The mother box. Apparently this is what changed him, right? connectivity, his synergy. Martian Manhunter. All right, what do you think so far? You like it? I like it. I thought it was dope. So definitely, man, this is what I like. I said, you know me. I enjoy collecting reference pieces, especially pieces that you can go back to and reference later in the event that you're having some kind of discussion or debate about superpowers or what makes things happen. This is really awesome to have, man. Really awesome to have. Swamp Thing. It just goes on and on. Check it out. Swamp Thing is in here. And I like that they took their time, man, to really dig into this aspect of superheroes, because a lot of times we just go through life reading our superhero books, and pretty much they are what they are. They got what they got. I don't know, what am I talking about? But without ever questioning or asking, you know, you see origins, but origins are more likely very vague. You know, most times you see an origin of somebody, it's just very vague. But it's good to see something this intricate and this detailed, dealing with how and why someone has superpowers and stuff like that. Love it. Doomsday, son. They even breaking down his whole breakdown. His whole anatomy breakdown. That's hot right there. That's all I can say about it, man. Crazy, right? Nice. DNA notes. You got Bizarro in here with a buzz cut or some kind of mohawk cut. His brain defects, apparently. Incendiary breath. Killer Frost. Check it out. Breaking her down. Here you have it, man. Here you have it. Here you have it. That's the whole book. Here's the back of the book. Also embossed. Nice blue. Check this out. In-depth commentary from the Dark Knight. So I can only assume that maybe, just maybe, all the notes taken in this book were the notes of Bruce Wayne's in-depth analysis of all the humans on Earth. You know? Because of all people, he needs to know all their weaknesses and strengths. You know, so he can know how to deal with them if he ever has to deal with them as human being not. So having a super smart brain and tons of money, hey, could be a superpower in itself, right? Money man. But yo, that's it, man. Anatomy of a Metahuman, man. I hope you enjoyed looking at it real quick. Just want to give you a quick breakdown of it. Nothing special. Just wanted to show it to you. Make sure you saw it, okay? If you don't have this baby, go out and get it, man. This is a good one for your collection, man. This is a great book. I enjoyed it a lot. That's your boy Tone. Click C for Comics. Peace.